All right, let's look for our greatest common factor. Now we have 12, 27, and 60. So the largest number that we can divide into all three of those is 3. And then we have x to the 6th, x to the 5th, and x to the 4th. So we can actually take out x to the 4th from all three terms. Parentheses. 3 times what gives us 12? That would be 4. And then x to the 4th times what gives us x to the 6th? Would be x squared. And then plus 3 times what gives us 27? Would be 9. X to the 4th times what gives us x to the 5th? Should be an x. Plus sign. And then 3x to the 4th multiplied with what gives us 60x to the 4th? That would be 20. So this is what we have now. Bring down 3x to the 4th. And now what we're going to do is factor this into two binomials, if we can. We'll look at the second sign. It's a positive. So that means the signs we plug in are going to be the same. Then look at the first sign to tell what they're both going to be. So just a plus and a plus. Now we need two terms, this term and this term, to multiply to give us 4x squared. So that could be a couple different things. It could be, I'm just going to write down, you have 2 and 2. Okay, so or 2x and 2x. So those could be the numbers. Or it could be 4x and 1x. For 20, we need two things to multiply together to give us 20. That would go here and here. So let's go 5 and 4. We have, let's see, 10 and 2. And we also have 20 and 1. Okay, and then we're gonna create two products, and those products has to have a sum of 9 because the signs are the same, and it has to add up to 9. So let's go ahead and try to find those. Adds up to 9. So 2 times 5 is 10. That gives you 8. That does not add up to 9. That's going to be 18. So you flip that around. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. That doesn't add up to 9, so that doesn't work either. Let's try 2 and 10. That's 20. Already we know it's too big. Doesn't add up to 9. Not going to work. And there's no need to flip it around because these numbers here are the same. So it's not going to go with this. 2 times 20 is 40. Already too big. It has to add up to 9. And so 40, this would be 40x. And then 2x times 1 is 2x. That does not add up to 9x. So that doesn't work. So 2x and 2x doesn't go with anything over here, so we can cross it out. 4 times 5, that's 20. Already too big. Doesn't work. 4 times 4 is 16. Already too big. Doesn't work. So we know we can cross this one out because we have to, if this is our only option, we have to use that. 4 times 10 is 40. Doesn't work. Already too big. Flip it around. 4 times 2 is 8. And x times 10 is 10x. That's 18. But doesn't add up to 9. Too big again. So we can cross this one out. And then 4 times 20 is 80. Already too big. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 20 is 20x, and that's 24x. Doesn't add up to 9x. So we've tried every combination. Therefore, at this point, it's not factorable beyond that. So this would be our final answer.